To stake on Crypto.com. Start by opening the Crypto.com app and clicking on Staking in the top right corner. Next to Crypto. Once you're in the staking section, select the asset you'd like to stake. There are several options to choose from. For example, if you want to stake Cardano, click on Stake next to it. Next, enter the amount you'd like to stake, which is the amount of the cryptocurrency you want to stake. If you don't have any available, you can purchase some by clicking on Buy ADA. After filling in the staking amount, review the staking details, agree to the terms and conditions, and confirm. Finally, tap Confirm Stake at the bottom, and you will begin staking the cryptocurrency. The process is straightforward, and by following these steps, you can easily stake on Crypto.com.